we have a 2009 Toyota Matrix, and I'm going to change the transmission fluid. This fluid you kind of see is a little bit dark, brownish maybe. It's light pink when it's new. And what you're just going to need is a drain pan and a number 10 hex wrench or Allen wrench. So drain bolt is right here. So we're gonna just open that up until it all drains out. All right, so I just open it up and drain it, and it looked pretty much like dirty engine oil actually. They say that the transmission fluid is good for the life of the transmission, but this car's got 180,000 on it, and it's pretty easy to change, so I figured I'll just do that because while it may last the life of the transmission might be significantly shortened by dirty in the old oil. This is what I got for it, 4 quarts. That's what the manual says, something like 3.5 or something. I'll have to check exactly, but I just bought 4 quarts, and I got the genuine Toyota fluid. It's not much more expensive, if maybe sometimes even the same price as what you'll get at AutoZone, but because it's going to be in this transmission for a long time, I figured may as well just go with the genuine stuff. That way you don't have to worry about something else ruining your transmission. And transmission oil is kind of specific to the car, so it may not be a good idea to get something aftermarket. So it's $10 a quart is what I paid for it. All right, so to fill that, I'm just gonna take a funnel and just line it up here with the dipstick access port and just pour the oil right in there. There is a fill access hole, but this might be a little bit slower but faster overall. So I just pour just a little bit. And if you don't have a funnel like this, you might be able to just use a laminated piece of paper, like something from a catalog or something like that, just wrapping it into a cone and just using that as a guide, basically, to just guide the stream into the access port, and that's it. Okay, so there I filled it up, and I'm gonna double check, but you can see the color difference before and after. So I'm gonna run the engine and then check the transmission. Right now I'm about where I was before I drained it, but the car is at an angle, so I will double check it, but this is about it.